Are you holding on to clothes you never wear? It's time to clear out the clutter and reclaim your space. Welcome back to Seasoned and Savvy. Let's jump straight into 10 clothing items you should toss right now to simplify your life and make your mornings stress-free. One of the biggest culprits of closet clutter is clothing that no longer fits. Over time, our bodies change, and while it's natural to hold on to garments that carry sentimental value, these items often cause more frustration than joy. A dress from a child's wedding or a suit from past working days might remind us of cherished memories, but if they no longer serve a practical purpose, it's time to part with them. Instead of feeling guilty, consider this. Your body has carried you through decades of experiences, and that's something to honor. By donating these clothes to someone who can truly use them, you're not just decluttering your closet, you're making space for the present, for clothes that fit well and make you feel confident and comfortable. Another source of unnecessary clutter is uncomfortable shoes. Our feet have carried us through life's most important moments, and they deserve care and support. Holding on to shoes that pinch, rub, or feel unstable isn't just inconvenient, it can be harmful. Ill-fitting footwear can lead to joint pain, exacerbate conditions like arthritis, and even increase the risk of falls. It's time to be honest with ourselves. If a pair of shoes is uncomfortable now, it's unlikely to magically become comfortable later. By prioritizing high-quality, supportive shoes, we invest in our health and well-being, making every step forward one of ease and confidence. We also need to address the clothes that are beyond repair. Many of us hold on to items with missing buttons, small tears, or stubborn stains, convincing ourselves that we'll fix them someday. But how often does someday actually come? These items take up valuable space and serve as constant reminders of unfinished tasks. If you haven't repaired them by now, chances are you never will. Instead of letting them sit in your closet, consider repurposing the fabric or donating textiles to recycling programs. This way, you honor the life of the garment while freeing yourself from its weight. Then there are the clothes that haven't been touched for over a year. If you haven't worn something through all 4 seasons, it's worth asking whether you truly need it. As we age, our routines shift, and the outfits we once wore regularly might no longer fit our current lifestyle. Instead of letting these items take up space, think about how much joy they could bring to someone else. By decluttering, you make getting dressed simpler and your mornings stress-free, filled only with pieces you genuinely love and wear. Another category that often sneaks up on us is memory-laden clothing. These items hold deep sentimental value. The scarf a spouse loved saying you wear, the jacket from a treasured family gathering. While these garments are filled with memories, too many can weigh us down, turning our closets into museums rather than practical spaces. A great way to honor these pieces without keeping them all is to take a photo. That way, the memory is preserved, but the physical item no longer adds to the clutter. Keep 1 or 2 of the most meaningful pieces and let the rest go, knowing that they could bring warmth and comfort to someone else. Then, there are the someday clothes. We all have them, those pants we hope to fit into again, or the dress we've been saving for an occasion that never seems to come. While optimism is wonderful, holding on to clothes that no longer align with our present lives can quietly create feelings of regret or self-doubt. It's time to celebrate the person we are today, not the person we once were or wish we could be. Letting go of these items means freeing yourself from unnecessary pressure and embracing a wardrobe that truly suits your current lifestyle. Another source of wardrobe stress: high-maintenance clothes. At this stage in life, simplicity is key. Who wants to spend hours ironing or making special trips to the dry cleaner for a blouse that wrinkles too easily? If an item requires more effort than it's worth, consider replacing it with something practical and easy to care for. Fabrics like cotton, knits, or comfortable blends can make everyday dressing effortless and enjoyable. By choosing clothing that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle, you'll have more time to focus on the things you truly love. Seasonal clothing that no longer serves a purpose is another common area of excess. If you've moved to a warmer climate but still have heavy coats and winter gear taking up space, it may be time to let go. Ask yourself, does this item still align with my current life? If not, consider donating it to someone in need. Shelters and charities can always use warm clothing, and passing these items along allows you to make a meaningful impact while freeing up your space. Duplicates are another sneaky source of clutter. Over the years, we accumulate multiple versions of the same item, extra white shirts, duplicate pairs of black pants, yet we tend to wear the same favorites repeatedly. Instead of allowing extras to pile up, identify the pieces you truly love and use and let go of the rest. By streamlining your wardrobe, you simplify your daily choices and create a closet that reflects your current needs and style. Finally, decluttering your wardrobe is about more than just organizing your closet. It's about making room for the life you deserve. Every piece you let go of is a step toward clarity and freedom. Your closet should be a place of calm, a space that welcomes you each morning with ease and confidence. So take this step with courage, knowing that every item released is an opportunity for a fresh start. Simplifying your wardrobe isn't just about getting rid of excess. It's about embracing who you are today and making intentional choices that bring you joy. With a little effort, you can create a space filled only with what truly serves you, allowing you to move through life with more ease and contentment. Let's simplify together and make room for a wardrobe that reflects the beautiful stage of life we're in now.